Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all to Sri Jayendra Rank Zone classes. I am your mentor and your friend for the subject biology, and I will be taking the animal science, that is the zoology part. My dear students, in the previous lectures, we have completed different theories of evolution, different evidences regarding evolution. We were continuing with the speciation part, that what are the different factors which will lead to formation of new species. We have completed the types of natural selection, and now we are going to start with human evolution. Before proceeding with human evolution, I would like to tell you some important special points which you have to remember for your competitive examinations. The first is mega evolution. What exactly means by mega evolution? Mega evolution, the origin and the evolution of new types of biological organization as a result of general adaptation from its predecessor, resulting in the formation of new classes or phyla. Okay, we got to know about the microevolution, then macroevolution, then mega evolution. Okay, so mega evolution basically leads to the formation of new classes and new phyla. The pre-existing species, they basically come up with different types of survival advantages and adaptations. Okay, that is why they evolve. Okay, and this evolution in the biological system of the pre-existing organisms, they lead to formation of new classes or phyla. In the previous slide, in which we have studied about the microevolution and macroevolution. Okay, so macroevolution and microevolution, after that we are going to discuss about the mega evolution. Mega evolution, it leads to the formation of new classes and phylum. Mega evolutionary changes are rare, they are very rare, and have occurred only a few times in the evolutionary history of living beings. I mean, till today, there are many less mega evolutionary changes which have been occurred. Okay, like for example, origin of amphibians from fishes, origin of reptiles from amphibians, origin of bird and mammals from reptiles. So when the phylum will change, okay, or the class will change, then it will come that mega evolution happened, and this mega evolution lead to the formation of new classes, like for example, evolution or the origin of amphibians from fishes, reptiles from amphibia, and mammals and birds from reptiles. Now there is a very important term, okay, you should register this term, anagenesis. What is anagenesis? Anagenesis can be explained that it is the evolution of species involving a change in gene frequency in an entire population. Okay, when in the entire population, whole population, there is change in gene frequency, and because of this change in gene frequency, the species, they get evolved. Understood? It is also known as phyletic change. It is also known as phyletic change. Before microevolution, we learn about the phyletic changes. Okay. So these phyletic changes, when an ancestor, what was the phyletic evolution? When an ancestral species change into a new species by gradual change in thousand of years. Okay. When thousand of years, during the evolution, course of evolution of thousand of years, okay, when a new species formed from the ancestor, like formation of today, when new era horse equus from Eohippus, that is phyletic evolution. Okay. Anagenesis, it is an evolution of species involving a change in the gene frequency in an entire population. Understood? It is also known as phyletic change. It is also known as phyletic change. Anagenesis may also refer to as phyletic species or gradual species. I mean gradual changes in the ancestors. Changes in the ancestors lead to the formation of new species. So I'll revise something for you. The microevolution, it basically give rise to the formation of new subspecies, okay, by the process of natural selection, genetic drift, gene flow, recombination, etc. Macroevolution, macroevolution, it leads to the establishment of new genera, new family, okay. So microevolution, it forms new subspecies, and those closely related subspecies, in case of macroevolution, they form a new genera or a family. Mega evolution, it helps to the formation of new classes and phylum. Okay, what about the order? Order is also formed in case of macroevolution. Okay, so you will write micro leads to the formation of subspecies, macro leads to the formation of new genera, new genera, family, and order. And mega evolution leads to new class and phylum. Okay, and what is anagenesis? Anagenesis is a type of phyletic change only because of the change in the gene frequencies of the entire population. The new species are evolved. What is cladogenesis? Cladogenesis, it is an evolutionary splitting event in which each branch and its smaller branches form a clade. I mean, for example, a tree. The main stem of the tree, it forms, suppose this is the main stem of the tree, it forms one branch, second branch, third branch, fourth branch. These branches further form the sub branches. Okay, so this is known as what? Clade, an evolutionary mechanism and a process of adaptive evolution. Right? That leads to the development of a great variety of sister organisms. Okay, so what is cladogenesis? Cladogenesis, it is an evolutionary splitting event in which each branch and its smaller branches form a clade, okay, mean a small stair. This small stair will helps in the evolutionary mechanism with the process of adaptive evolution that leads to the development of greater variety of sister organism. Okay, sister organism means belonging to the same species, but there are different characters. That is why it is given adaptive evolution. Understood? So these are some common terms like anagenesis, cladogenesis, phyletic changes, microevolution, megaevolution, macroevolution. In the next video, not in today's video, in the next video, I think we will be probably completing our this human evolution part, and we will be doing around, we will try to do maximum number of questions, okay, good number of questions in the next class. Okay, that is why I haven't put the questions in the neat time for today, because I just want you to give time to go through all the points, all the headings. Now, in human evolution, this is the human evolution. Starting with the human evolution, humans, they belong to primates, include prosimians. Primates, they include basically prosimians, which includes lemurs, tarsiers and related forms, and anthropoids, okay, which includes monkeys, apes, and humans. The primates, it includes prosimians, which includes lemurs, tarsiers, and related forms. And the anthropoids, it includes monkey, apes, and human. So we belong in which category? We belong to anthropoids, and anthropoids belong to primates. Okay, they are descendant from small rodent. It is believed that they are descendant from small rodent like or insectivorous mammals that evolved about 18 million years ago. It is believed that around 80 million years ago, these humans, these anthropoids and prosimians, they actually evolved, okay, from small rodent like insectivorous mammals around 80 million years back. Now, shrews, they are considered as the smallest mammals. Okay, shrews, they are considered as smallest mammals. Understood? Smallest mammal. Elephant shrews originated in the late Mesozoic era, means towards the extinction of the dinosaurs in Cretaceous period. Tree shrews, they were the first real primates originated in Paleocene epoch. Okay, so in the course of evolution, I already told you different types of epochs, different types of periods in a timeline. So elephant shrews, they are considered as the smallest mammal. They originated in the late Mesozoic era in Cretaceous period, and tree shrews, they were the first real primates originated in the Paleocene epoch. They were not real primates because in their retina only rods cells were present, cones were absent, nails absent, claws were present, nails were absent. Long snout, okay, means projection of mouth. They have long snout, V-shaped jaw, by nature insectivorous, and two pairs of mammary glands are present. The elephant shrews, they were not considered as the real primates because they originated during the late Mesozoic era in Cretaceous period. Along with this, they share some characteristics like they were not having the cone cells. Okay, the nails were absent, claws were present, V-shaped jaw. Then they have long snout with mouth. By nature, they were insectivorous. Okay, and they were two pairs of mammary glands. Now, when we talk about tree shrews, they are the real primates which originated in the Paleocene epoch. Both rods and cone cells were present in the retina. Claws were absent and nails present on the digits. Shorter snout, okay. V-shaped jaw. By nature insectivorous. Two pairs of mammary glands are present. Okay. The elephant shrews, they were not considered as the real primates, but tree shrews, they were considered as the real primates. Elephant shrews, the late Mesozoic era in the Cretaceous period, and the tree shrews in the Paleocene epoch. So these were some common differences between elephant shrews and tree shrews, which basically considered as the primates. Now, coming to next, this is a picture of tree shrew Tupia. Then this is the spider monkey, Atlas, a new world monkey. The new world monkey is known as what? Spider monkey. Okay. This is ringed-tailed lemur. You can see the rings. Ringed-tailed lemur catla. Okay. Then rhesus monkey, macaca, an old world monkey. Human genome matches around 80-84% to rhesus monkey, macaca. Then gibbon, hylobates, tarsier, okay, tarsier spectrum, orangutan, pongo, chimpanzee, around 94%, more than 94% of genetic characters, it matches with the chimpanzee, okay, and gorilla. So these were some different, primates which are given in the picture. Classification of primates. Order primate is divided into two suborders. Prosimians include lemur, evolved in Madagascar. They evolved in Madagascar. Loris, evolved in China. Two closest relation to human. Okay. So Loris, it evolved in China and it is considered as the closest relation to humans. Tarsiers, they evolved in Indonesia. Okay. So Tarsers, they evolved in Indonesia. Lemurs, Loris, they evolved in China. And Tarsiers, they evolved in Indonesia. And Prosimians, they evolved in Madagascar. So you can write here Prosimians, Madagascar, PM. Okay. Loris, China, LC, and Tarsier, Indonesia. Okay. So PM, Prosimians, Madagascar, LC, Loris, China, and TI, that is Tarsiers, Indonesia. They are the prosimian ancestors of humans. Okay, they were the prosimian ancestors of humans. Now, coming to next, anthropoids. It includes monkeys, apes, and humans. Monkeys, there are two types: old world monkeys, rhesus monkey, macaca, baboon, old world African or Asian monkey. Okay, so the old world monkey, rhesus monkey, macaca, or the baboon, the old world monkey or the Africa or Asian monkey. Tail was non-prehensile. Tail was non-prehensile. Narrow flat nose with downward direction of nostrils. Nostrils were directed downward and they were flat. Okay. Tail was non-prehensile. They were having U-shaped jaw. They were having U-shaped jaw. Okay. Dental formula same as of humans 32, that is 2123 2123. Okay. The tail was non-prehensile. Okay. They were having narrow flat nose with downward direction of nostrils. They were having U-shaped jaw. You can compare. You can compare. Okay. That the previous ones, they were having V-shaped jaw. They are having U-shaped jaw. Okay. And the nose is flat with downward direction. Okay. Then the dental formula is same as humans, 2123 upon 2123, and menstrual cycle is present in females. So anthropoids, very importantly, which includes monkeys, apes, and humans. Monkeys are of two types: old world monkeys and the new world monkeys. So old world monkeys includes rhesus, macaca, or baboon. Tail was non-prehensile, narrow flat nose with downward direction of nostrils, U-shaped jaw, and dental formula as in humans 2123, 2123, mean that is when if we divide the whole mouth in four quadrants, okay, so two incisors, one canine, two premolars, three molars. So every quadrant is having 8 teeth, okay, two incisors, one canine, two premolars, three molars, like this. Okay, so 8 into 4, it becomes 32, right? So they were having no tail, which is non-prehensile, U-shaped jaw, and menstrual cycle was present. Okay, now coming to next, New World monkey. New World monkey, they include spider monkey, marmosets, New World, or South or Middle America. So you just remember the name that old world monkey was African or Asian, mean baboon, and the new world monkey, that's the spider monkey or marmosets, they are basically from South and Middle America. The origin is basically from South and Middle America. They were long and prehensile. Long and prehensile. They were having long and prehensile tail. Okay. Protruding nose. Okay, that's very important feature. They were having protruding nose with upward direction of nostrils. Okay, in the previous win, old world monkeys, they were having the downward direction of nostrils with flat nose. Okay, and these monkeys, they were having the upward direction of nostrils with protruding nose. Understood? And they were having U-shaped jaw. Okay, as in the case of old world monkey. Dental formula is 2133 upon 2133, that is 36 mouth. 36, sorry, teeth. Menstrual cycle was absent and estrus cycle is present, that is the heat period. Understood? So in case of new world monkey, which is known as spider monkey or marmosets, they were mainly from South and Middle America. The tail is long and prehensile. Basically, prehensile tail is a type of tail of animals that has adapted to grasp or hold objects. You can see, suppose this is the branch of tree. The prehensile tail, it wraps over the branches. Okay, it wraps over the branches to provide support. Understood? So this is known as what? Prehensile tail. Understood? So the tail is long and prehensile. The jaws were U-shaped. The nose is protruding with upward direction of nostrils. Dental formula 2133 upon 2133, that is 36 teeth. Okay. And menstrual cycle is absent, but estrus cycle is present, that is heat period. Okay. Menstrual cycle is absent in case of New World monkey, but present in case of Old World monkey. So Old World monkey, they supposed to be more closer to humans, and that is why Old World monkey, they are considered as more closer in comparison to humans. Now we are considering apes. Apes, there are basically of four types. Chimpanzee, having the cranial capacity of 400. Gorilla, cranial capacity of 500. Orangutan, cranial capacity of 400, and gibbon, cranial capacity of 100 centimeter cube. Okay, so chimpanzee, gorilla, orangutan, and gibbon. Okay, so chimpanzee, the cranial capacity is of 400 centimeter cube. This is the cranial capacity, if I am not getting it wrong, in centimeter cube. So chimpanzee, they have 400 centimeter cube of cranial capacity. Gorilla, they have 500 centimeter cube of cranial capacity. Orangutan, they have 400 centimeter cube of cranial capacity. So orangutan and chimpanzee, their cranial capacities are same. Gorilla, their cranial capacity is more. And gibbon, they have also the least cranial capacity, that is 100 centimeter cube. Now, as we move from chimpanzee to gibbon, we are moving towards hominidae family, that is more closer. Okay, when hominidae family, humans, they are the last projections having hominidae family. Family of chimpanzee, gorilla, and orangutan is Pongidae or Pongidae, and the family of gibbon is Hylobatidae. Okay, that's why Hylobates. Hylobates. Understood? So the New World monkey and the Old World monkey, we came to know that Old World monkey is coming closer or showing similar characteristics in comparison to humans. Apes, there are four types: chimpanzee, orangutan, gibbon, and gorilla. So chimpanzee, gorilla, and orangutan, they belong to Pongidae family. Okay. Chimpanzee, the carrying capacity of 400 centimeter cube. Gorilla, the carrying capacity of 500 centimeter cube. Orangutan, they have the carrying capacity of 400 centimeter cube, and the last is gibbon, which belong to Hylobatidae family. Okay, with the 100 centimeter cube of cranial capacity. Then comes humans, which belong to Hominidae family. Understood? Apes versus men. Apes versus men. Similarities between ape and men. Okay, why we consider apes and men similar? The tail is absent. Okay, both in apes and men, tail is absent. They have erect posture. Okay, the tail is absent, erect posture, grasping hands. They can grasp. So they can use their digits for holding. Hairs are present on the body for thermoregulation. Larger head, more cranial capacity, more intelligent than other animals. Facial muscles are present for expression of surprise, pleasure, mean. The facial muscles like masseter and the other muscles, they are functional. Understood? Menstrual cycle is present in females of both apes and men. Blood group of ABCDs are present in both. Okay, showing the characteristics of codominance. 50% RBCs of A blood group, 50% of RBCs having B blood group. Composition of Hemoglobin is same in both. Okay, so the composition of hemoglobin is same in both. Only one amino acid is different in human and gorilla. So in humans and gorilla, only one amino acid is different. Understood? So apes and men, they are considered very similar because tail is absent. They have erect posture. They have hands which can grasp. Okay. Then they have hairs on the body. Now the head is larger with more amount of cranial capacity. The intelligent quotient or IQ level is more in comparison to the other levels, mean more amount of gray matter. Facial muscles are present for giving, the expressions for surprise and pleasure. The very first time in case of apes and men, they come up with the functional facial muscles for the expression of surprise and pleasure. Okay. Menstrual cycle is present in the both females. Blood group of AB is present in both. Okay, both the apes and man, and the composition of hemoglobin is same in both. Okay, only one amino acid is different in humans and gorilla. So in the composition of hemoglobin, only one amino acid is different in case of humans and gorilla. Rest all others are same. Understood? Now coming to next, chromosomal similarities. The number of chromosomes in case of man 46, apes 48. Okay, almost similar. DNA contents and DNA matching is same in both. Okay, when the band patterns, okay, the chromosomal banding, the arrangement of genes, alleles is almost same. The similarity is 100% with chimpanzee, 94% with gibbon, and 88% with rhesus monkey. The chromosomal band patterns when they are matched, okay. So we came to know that in case of man and chimpanzee, for a particular set of chromosomes, suppose we have compared the third and the sixth chromosome, and we got to know that all the band patterns, all the alleles, all the loci, they are same. So its similarity is between 100% with chimpanzee, 94% with gibbon, and 88% with rhesus monkey. Bending pattern of chromosome is same in both in case of chimpanzee and humans. Comparisons have been made between the bending patterns of chromosomes of man and those of great apes. Great apes. Bending pattern of chromosome number 3 and 6 of human and chimpanzees 100% similar, that is mentioned here. Bending techniques enable the identification of individual chromosomes and their parts. They help to identify the individual chromosomes and their parts. Somatic cells of human contains 46 chromosomes, 44 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. Okay. The diploid number of chromosomes in gorilla, chimpanzee and orangutan is 48. Okay. So the diploid number of chromosomes in gorilla, chimpanzee and orangutan is 48. Okay. Humans, they have 46 chromosomes, while gorilla, orangutan, chimpanzee, they have 48 chromosomes. Okay. The total amount of DNA in case of human diploid cells and that of great apes are similar. So in comparison to great apes, the total amount of DNA in human diploid cells is, they are dissimilar. Okay, when they are not exactly matching. Okay. So these were the common chromosomal similarities, that number of chromosomes although are not matching, but the binding patterns, they are, matching up to a very great extent. Like in case of chimpanzee, it matches of 100%. In case of gibbon, it is 94% and 88% in case of rhesus monkey. Okay. Banding pattern is same in both, and in comparison to great apes, it is seen of the maximum matching types. Okay. Bending techniques help to identify of the individual chromosomes and their parts. Somatic cells of human contain 46 chromosomes, 44 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. The diploid number of chromosomes in gorilla, chimpanzee and orangutan is 48. The total amount of DNA in human diploid cells and that of great apes are dissimilar. Okay. The total amount of DNA in human diploid cells and that of great apes are not exactly matching, they are dissimilar. Now coming to next, bending patterns between man and chimpanzee. I have given a picture of third and the sixth chromosome. You can see almost all the banding bands or chromosomal bands, their loci, gene loci, arrange location of particular allele is same. Okay, so this is the banding pattern. Now coming to next, differences between apes and humans. Okay, as we have learned the similarities, now we are going to discuss about the differences. Apes, they have erect posture but the semi-erect posture. In humans, complete erect posture. In apes, they have shorter neck and which is embedded. Okay, when neck is not very distinctly observed. In humans, the neck is long and erect. Okay, apes, they have thick growth of hairs on complete body. Apes, they have thick growth of hairs on complete body. Humans, they have hairs but only on the certain body parts. Okay, apes, the cranial capacity is very less, 650 centimeter cube, and humans, they have more cranial capacity, around 1300 to 1600 centimeter cube. Apes, they are less intelligent. Humans, they are considered to be more intelligent. Apes, the forelimbs are longer than hind limbs. Okay, and humans forelimbs are shorter than hind limbs. Okay, apes, they have U-shaped jaw. Humans, they have semicircular jaw. Apes, the chin is absent. Humans, the chin is present. Apes, thumb is parallel to palm. Humans, thumb is opposite. Okay, in apes, thumb is parallel to palm. In case of humans, thumb is opposable. Okay, it is opposable because of the saddle joint. Opposable. Elongated pelvic girdle, broad pelvic girdle. In case of humans, pelvic girdle is broad. In case of apes, the pelvic girdle is elongated. Okay. Apes, they have less hair on the body. Humans, they have more hairs on the body. Okay. So these are the differences in comparison to apes and humans. Okay. The last point, which is the the regarding the hairs, the humans, they have, it should be vice versa. Humans, they have less hair on the body and apes should have more hairs on the body. So semi erect posture, complete erect posture. Apes, they have shorter neck and which is embedded. Humans, they have long and erect neck. Apes, they have thick growth of hairs on the complete body. Humans, they have only certain hairs on the certain body part. The cranial capacity, they have, it is 650 centimeter cube. In humans, the cranial capacity is more, 1300 to 1600 centimeter cube. IQ level is less in case of apes, less intelligent. Humans, they are more intelligent. Apes, they have forelimbs longer than the hind limbs. In case of humans, forelimbs are shorter than hind limbs. Apes, they have U-shaped jaw. Humans, they have semicircular jaw. Apes, the chin is absent. Humans, the chin is present. Apes, the thumb is parallel to palm. Okay, parallel to palm. And thumbs, the in humans, the thumb is opposable. Okay, and apes, the elongated pelvic girdle. Humans, broad pelvic girdle. This is the less hair, not on body. They are talking about the scalp. Okay, so please rectify this term. Scalp. Humans, they have more hairs on the scalp, and apes, they have less hairs on the scalp. So these are the differences between apes and humans, similarities between apes and humans. So my dear students, I will be starting the part of human evolution in the next class. Till date, till today, we have completed with the previous portions. Now, before starting with the human evolution, as I have told you, I will be detailing, with some previous year question banks. So please prepare for so that you can answer each and every question. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.